Hey guys, and welcome back to another Hello Neighbor video. Hello Neighbor 2 to be exact, early access. Now,
after this we're on Act 3.
We're on Act 4. So, we've tried this a couple times with it always lagging out, glitching, all that stuff. And, and we thought we fixed it, but apparently not. But I think I know how to fix it. Just don't throw the shovel in Act 4. Don't. It faces through the floor and then the game will crash. If you do it, then just load your last save.
The dog is saying, where's my meat? There's the meat. There you go, doggy.
Alright, so now we have this. Yes, take that.
Wait, who is that?
Statue of the mayor.
Mom, I saw a statue of the mayor.
Alright, so I think we're gonna wait until he's outside again to open the door. Or we could just, well, no, it's too late now.
Is that him?
Alright.
Oh, there's the mayor.
Alright, we have our little record here. And he's probably gonna have heard that, so he's probably gonna come up here. Alright, we're gonna wait till he goes outside again to open any doors. So, otherwise, he will heal us. Very loudly.
Just give it a second.
Alright, he's outside now.
There's the normal trophy.
Alright,
Austin.
so now we're gonna climb up. Alright, so we're going up. Now again, just to be on the safe side, I'm probably gonna stop recording the game before we grab the key because yes, we know.
Okay. There we go.
And then we're going
I think there's trampolines on the roof.
Trampolines? Why would you have a trampoline on the roof? You die. I think Acts 4 and 5 are just buggy in general and need to be fixed. But I don't really have a problem with it as long as it doesn't mess with our recording, which it has been, so I have a big problem with it.
Oh, there's his lamp. I saw his lamp. Okay.
Wait for him to go outside.
Oh, another real normal trophy, but a different color. There's another normal trophy, but a different color.
I don't think the mayor ever comes
There's a
upstairs
trophy
unless
down
you make
there.
any noise.
Oh no, that is not.
Alright.
Where's the mayor?
Oh, he's eating like a fat boy. You fat boy.
Be a bad boy. Be a bad boy.
Boy. Now he's gonna go play his piano, go outside, check out his barbecue. You got it. You got it. Alright, now we place that there.
There we go. Oh, there's
Now we're going
another
to crouch
trophy.
walk.
Let's
He might
go
hear
with
us.
the blue.
He's coming up, he's coming up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. There he goes into it.
Okay.
The trophy. There he goes into the trophy room.
Yes.
He's in the trophy room.
Yes, we know, Beckett. Becky.
Beck Weston.
What's he doing?
What's he doing?
So he wasn't looking for me, I don't think. Yeah, because he's going... Oh, wait, he was, because he's going back downstairs now. No, if he was looking for me, he would have, like, kept going up here, like, looking around up here. So we're going to wait for him to close his door again. Going to wait for him to go outside.
There was 4 trophies. No, 3 trophies, yes. Or 4! Oh, he's coming up.
Right. I think he's in a cycle right now of coming up, checking on his trophies, blah, blah, blah. Like, I think, because he's not looking for me right now. I didn't make any noise, like, any significant noise, so I don't think he's looking for me specifically. But I think he is, like, going in a cycle of upstairs, downstairs, check on the barbecue. It's complicated. I don't know. But he hasn't noticed me yet, and that's a good sign, because I already have 3 out of 5 trophies there.
Where is he? There he is! He's going downstairs. Where is he?
Alright, wait.
Is that a disc? Is that a disc in your hand?
Yeah. Swear to God, if he comes up here.
I swear to God. Where is he?
He's downstairs eating.
He's downstairs in his barbecue.
Yeah. Is it...
Where is he? Who's that?
Alright, so we're gonna come down here.
He's not gonna notice that
Oh.
we're up here.
Yeah, you're right, Beckett.
Oh, where's he?
He's eating like the fat boy. Look at him. Fat boy, you don't need any more foods.
You don't eat anymore.
Yes.
There he is. Hey, yo! You! Look up here!
Green. Ew. So I know that because of the sheet music over here. Anyways. Alright. Now we've opened that. Now, and we're up here!
Da, 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 da.
Now where's that trophy? Trophy?
There
should be- Beckett! Beckett, I can't hear. I need to heal.
There's his bathtub. When he leaves, take a bath.
Alright.
Did he leave?
Great. Alright. I don't know if he's disappeared or what. Because I don't hear him anymore. Which is disturbing. Wait, what's the code? 8691.
8691.
Hello, Mr. Mayor?
8691. So 8691. Hello, Mr. Mayor.
Am I stupid or has he phased out of existence?
Did he go outside?
I don't know.
891.
Alright, so we got all them trophies. I heard him walking. Yeah, I think we phased him out of existence again.
899.
Yeah, probably glitched again. Alright.
What is that for? That looks like a pirate ship steering wheel.
Kind of. Alright, and... Alright. Now before I grab this key, I will stop recording. Like, right now. Oh, wait. Wrong button. Stop. And... Oh, it didn't crash! Alright. It didn't crash. That's good. That's so good. Oh.
Yeah, baby!
I don't care if you catch me, I'm out. I'm outie, boy. Get out of here, fat boy. I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
Alright, so,
What is that?
we're almost done here, guys.
Where's that key?
Oh, that's the first time we've ever been able to do that.
Yeah, I never been in that house before.
Okay.
Once we go all the way up there, we see the neighbor's house.
Alright. So, we're gonna go to the neighbor's house again. Because that's what we be doing.
Where's her neighbor?
He's in his house.
Is that his house?
Wait, why is he just standing there? Hello?
Hello, neighbor.
Up.
Jeez.
Oh,
Jesus
he was
Christ.
just waiting for me, I guess.
Jesus
How nice.
Christ.
Beckett, don't say that. Beckett, you can't say that.
Why?
Naughty.
Ah!
Alright, good. So I thought for a second that he was glitching out and just standing there, but no, thank God.
He's coming for us.
Ha, dummy. Darn it, ding dang it. Alright, so he's gonna go to bed. But where's his wrench again?
I told you, in his pocket.
No, that's not it.
Yes, it is.
It's probably somewhere downstairs. Why is he just standing there? I don't know, story of his life. There.
Where is he?
Over there. Huh.
Why should he take your hammer? Why should he
Because he
take your
could.
scissors?
Wait, we didn't have a hammer.
Yeah, but why should he take your scissors?
Because he could, I guess.
Just
Oh, he came down. Alright.
Whose basement is that? Whose garage is that?
This is his garage.
Why is his car red?
Because it can be.
Mom, you should make your car red.
Nah, I don't think that color suits her.
Guys, comment down below if Weston could beat Hello Neighbor.
I definitely can.
Jeez, he's coming for you. Ah! Where is he?
Alright, I remember where the wrench is. Alright, where is he though? Where'd he go?
Jeez. He's coming! Ah! Jump on the chandelier.
Perhaps you're right, Beckett. I should jump on the crow chandelier. Staring straight at me. Moron.
Hey, hello, neighbor, you can't get us.
Yeah, that's right.
He can't jump far.
Away.
He can't jump. He did.
He's like,
Where's my better head?
So he's not just standing around, because he's moving around quite a lot, actually. So he's just like looking and thinking, I guess, right now.
Well, where's his bare head?
I don't know.
Mom, if he's coming for Weston, just jump on the chandelier.
Yeah, I think he might be bugged. Oh yeah, the game's definitely bugged. Thankfully, it won't actually... Alright.
Yeah. Hopefully he didn't bring me. Hello, neighbor. Oh God.
Dummy!
Dummy. You dummy. You are a serious, you're a dummy. Hello, neighbor.
I don't know what's with him. Bye-bye! So now he's gonna go somewhere, he's gonna stand there like a moron.
What's a moron?
A stupid person. Shall we?
You got the screw. Good job, Weston. Good job, Weston.
Oh, so he is moving now. Oh,
Oh
nope,
my-
never mind. Ah!
And jump on the chandelier.
No, not yet, buddy.
Why? I thought you were gonna go
Because jumping on
downstairs.
chandeliers is bad for your health. Alright, he doesn't know where I am. Again. Alright. Yes, he does, apparently. Just let him catch me. Alright, so the reason why I already know how to do that is because, like, you have to adjust the satellite on his roof, and then there's a code, and, like, the code is for the books. So I already know the code. Just trust me here.
Well, I don't know the code. Oh my God.
Alright, what's he gonna do? He's gonna go in there like I don't
Holy
want
cow.
him to!
Holy cow. Mom, jumping on chandeliers is bad for you. Because you will kill you. Because if you jump all the way on the ground, you'll actually die. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
He just coughs while he's running like...
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's
Get you
safe.
know where I am.
He's hiding in his closet.
What? How? How you knew? I think the thing is, he just knows all the time, everything.
No, it's because he was just looking at you. Where's he?
Probably in that room again.
Oh God!
That's how he runs.
What?
So now he is going downstairs. Let's hope he doesn't see me, please. Oh, come on! You're kidding me!
You
Don't
got.
dare go back in that room.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
He went back in the room. Hi.
Oh God.
Trust me, if he keeps going in and out of that room, it's a bug. There's no way he's just programmed to do that.
Jump on the chandelier.
Huh?
Oh God. It's going back into the room. That's not the room.
Alright, so real quick, the code is Fire, Flower, Saturn. Bye!
Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh God. He's coming for us.
Run!
God, 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 go, go. Oh God. Is he coming for us? What is that? I think that was the dining room. Austin, do you know where the dining room is?
No. Ah!
I don't know.
Ah!
Oh God. What is that? What is
Alright.
that?
Ah!
Into the attic.
He can't come in here! Ah ha ha!
You're in the attic. What's in you're in the
Ah
attic?
ha ha ha! Child. Hello, child. Hello, child. Paper airplane. I found it. It is yours. You look like you haven't taken a bath in 2 months, kid. It's like, why you have my kid? Air it out. Alright, so that is all the time we have for right now, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. We really needed the support. So, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!